Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to show you how to create an attractive ebook. So if you also want to create one by yourself, then make sure you watch this video till the end to know the complete process. Okay, so now without any further ado, let's get into the video. So here we are in Canva Interface. Now here you can see that there are various sizes present for different things like the stories, Instagram posts, posters and many more. But there is no size present for an ebook, and that is because in actual there is no defined size for an ebook. It depends on for what platform you are making it, whether for Kindle, Kobo Book, Wattpad or anything else. But there is a universal size, which is this A4 document size, which we consider for our ebook. So you can select any template from here, or you can simply write here A4 document. And now after writing this, you can select simply this blank page. Okay guys, so we selected our page. After selecting this page, you can start creating an ebook completely by yourself, or you can select a template from here, which is provided by the Canva itself. As you can see here, there are so many templates present. But these templates are more like the advertising one. So for ebook, we are searching here for ebook templates. Now here we got the templates which is suitable for ebook. Now here you can see that in some templates, Pro is written. So that means that these all templates are the Pro templates, and you can only use them if you have a Pro Canva version. So if you don't have a Pro Canva version, so you can simply check out our description box and enjoy the free trial of it. Okay, now moving further. Now here you can see that in some templates numbers are written. In first template we have 2 numbers. That means this template is the collection of 2 pages. Whereas in this template you are watching number 3. That means this template is the collection of 3 pages. So these templates are the collection of multiple pages. Also guys, here you can see that in some templates neither Pro is written nor any number is written. So that means that template is a single page template and it is not a Pro one. So you can simply use it. Okay guys, so now for this ebook we are going to select this template, which is 5 ways to make passive income. So you can see here that this template is the collection of 5 pages. So if you want a specific page to be added, so you can select that specific page, or if you want to select all the pages, then you can simply select all 5 pages. So here you can see all the 5 pages are added here. Okay, after selecting these pages, we are moving to first page. And now first of all, we are going to remove this text by writing here Learn Graphic Designing. Okay, after writing this, we are going to remove this text for female entrepreneurs by writing by Expressivity. Okay, after doing this, we are going to add some brand color for this ebook. So to this shape, we are going to add, I think, this light yellow color. And to this shape, we are going to add this light gray color. So for this ebook, we have these 2 brand colors, which is yellow and this light gray. Okay, now after this, we are going to add an image related to graphic designing here. So if you want to delete this image only, then you can simply select delete image option, and if you want to delete it with the grid, then you can simply select delete grid option. So for now we are going to select delete image option from here. Okay, now after deleting it, only a placeholder is left, and now to filling it up, we are moving to element section, and here we are going to search for graphic design. Okay. After searching for graphic design, we are moving to this photos part, and from here we are going to select our appropriate cover page. So we are going to select this image. This is a Pro image again. So now we are going to put it inside this placeholder, and now we are going to adjust it. Okay, so it's done. Okay, now suppose you want to add a logo in this page. So for that, you simply have to move again to elements section, and from here you can go in graphics section. And now from here in the magic recommendations option. So suppose I am selecting this logo. So I can simply select this and going to put it in the lower right corner. Okay, so now here our first page is ready. Okay, so now moving to second page. Now first of all, suppose we want to add our own image here as the author. So simply we have to again delete image, and now after this we are going to add here our image. So for now I am adding our Expressivity logo here. So I am just going to upload it and going to drag it inside this placeholder. Okay, now suppose you are not liking this about the author font. So what you can simply do is you can simply select it and can go in the font option, and from here you can simply select anyone. So I selected that TT Norms one, and now suppose you want to just change these all text in the capital. So what you have to do, simply go to format and select that option. So there is no need of writing it once again in capitals. Okay, now suppose you're not liking this middle section as well. It's font actually. So you simply have to again go to font section, and here you can do some experiment. So I'm going to select this Alice font for this middle section. Okay, after this I'm going to replace the author name by writing here harshandakshu. And after writing this, I'm going to change its font as well. Okay, so I'm going to select this Argent font for it. Okay, so it's done. Now here you can see in the first page we have two brand colors which is added here, but in the second page we have only one brand color. So for adding the second brand color, what you can simply do is go to the element section, and here you can search for rectangle. Okay, after selecting this rectangle, I'm going to resize it behind harshandakshu and I'm going to change its color to our brand color, which is the light yellow color. Okay, so both our brand color is added in this page as well. So now after this we are going to move to the third page. Okay, now suppose in this page you want to change these rectangle colors to light yellow to add your brand color. So you simply have to select it and you change it to yellow. Okay, so this page is also ready with both the colors present in it, which is of course our brand color. So now moving to the fourth page. Now suppose here also you want to change these two rectangle colors which are behind this business loans, and the another is investment. So you can simply do that by selecting these two and change it to light yellow color. Okay, now this page is also done. Now suppose you are going to add another page, but you want to add it by copying a page, which is this third page. So you can simply do that by selecting this page and select this duplicate option after that. And then after this you simply have to drag it from whatever position you want to. So suppose you dragged it to 5th position. Okay, now after this is selected this page. Now suppose you want to add here your designs. So what you can simply do is you can simply remove this text, and after removing this you can add your designs here. But before that we are going to change its heading by writing here showing my designs. Okay, so you can add your designs now in this blank space. So for now we are searching here graphic design again, and we are going to select some of the elements from graphics section as our design. So we are selecting this peacock, giraffe and this parrot as a graphic designs. Okay, so in this way you can add your designs here. Okay, so our this page is also ready. Now suppose you want to add one more page, but this time not by duplicating but by adding a page from another template. So for that what you have to simply do is you have to add a blank page here, and then you have to move to this template section. And now from here you can select any page from any template. So suppose for now we are selecting this third page from the guide to self-care template. So you simply have to select this third page from here, and then it will upload it as a page for your ebook. Okay, now suppose its position is not correct. So again you simply have to select it and have to drag it wheresoever you want. but as its position was correct, so we are again moving it at the end. Okay, now we are going to do some modifications in it, but before that we are going to do some modifications in this page. So we are going to add our second brand color, which is this light yellow color, in this page as well. Okay, so now this page also consists of both of our brand colors. Okay, so as we added both the brand colors in this page as well, so that's why we are moving to the last page. Okay, now in this page, first of all, we are going to delete all these unwanted elements. Okay, so suppose first of all you want to change the color of this text. So you simply have to select it and have to change it to whatever color you want. Okay, now after this we are going to change its background color to our brand color. Okay, now suppose you want to add another brand color as well. So for that we are searching here for rectangle. Okay, after selecting this we are going to resize it according to the text and going to put it behind it. And now we are going to change its color to our brand color. Okay, now suppose you want to add a logo here. So for that again we are searching for graphic design, and from here we are going to graphics section. And now from here we are going to select this logo. Now we are going to adjust it, and now this page is also ready. Now suppose you want to add another page. So for that you simply have to duplicate this page. Okay, now suppose we want to change this page as a summary page. So for that we are deleting all the unwanted elements from here. And now after deleting all these elements, we are going to increase the size of this text. Also, you can try different kinds of alignments in this text by going in this format option. Now here you can see different kinds of alignments are present: left, right, middle, center, etc. But for now we are sticking with the left alignment. Okay, now after this we are going to remove this text and going to write here summary. And now we are going to adjust this according to the text. Okay, so it's done. Now we are just moving this text little bit upside. Now you can see here a lot of space is left. So for covering it, we are duplicating the text and going to remove this upper paragraph from here. And now after this, we are going to adjust this text properly behind the previous text. Okay, so it's done. Okay, so it's done. So this page is also ready. Okay, now we are going to move to the first page. Now as you can see here in this ebook, all the necessary things are present. The front page, about author, the main content, and the last is summary. But there is one thing which is missing out, and that is index. So for adding index, we are going to select a new page. Okay, after selecting this page, we are going to drag it to the second position. And after dragging it, we are going to select it. So, to add a table of content here or index, we are going to select it from another template. So we are using it from flowers and deserts one. So we are selecting this table of content from here, and now to add a brand color here, first of all we are going to change this content color to light yellow. Okay, after doing this we are going to change this page color to the another brand color, which is this light gray. And now after this we are going to add some images here related to graphic designing. So for that, first of all we are going to delete both these images, and now only the placeholders are left. Okay, so now we are going to search for the photos. So we are going to select this photo for this placeholder. And for upper one, we are selecting this curl. And now we are going to drag it properly in the placeholder. Okay, so it's done. So now you can see here all the necessary pages are present. But in the summary page, something is left as it is too simple. So for that we are adding this tablet from here. So I think now this page look more attractive than before. Okay, now again moving to the second page. Now in this page you can see the page number is present, and suppose you want to add this page number to each and every page. So for that, what you simply have to do is you have to select these three dots, and now you have to select this thumbnail view. And after selecting this, you simply have to select this portion and have to duplicate it, and you have to drag it to another page and have to paste it there. And in this way you can add this to each and every page. So while I am doing this guys, I want to tell you a video is flashing in your eye button. So you can check out that video as well to add more creativity to your content. Okay guys, so it's done. Okay guys, so as you can see here that the page number is added in each and every page of this ebook. So in the same way you can also add page numbers in your ebook as well. Also guys, this book is of 8 pages. But you can make max of 100 pages ebook in Canva. But suppose if you want to make bigger page ebook, then you can create it by creating 2 separate projects, and you just have to merge them by using different online tools for merging. Okay guys, so now we are going to download it simply by selecting this PDF print format. And now our final ebook is ready. So guys, what do you think about this? Let us know in the comment section below. We would love to read them. Okay guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and got a value here. And if you got, then please subscribe our channel, hit the like button and also press the bell icon so that you get notified with our every new video. Okay, so now we will meet you in next video. Till then, bye bye and take care of your lovely selves.